don't need a snooze button, you need a reset. If you're feeling stiff, groggy, or like your brain's still stuck in yesterday, this is for you. Let's hit the mat. Drop into a tabletop position, hands on the shoulders, knees on the hips. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. It looks simple, but don't underestimate it. This is one of the most powerful ways to unlock the spine and sync your body with your breath. I promise 60 seconds of this will boost circulation, reduce back stiffness, and calm your nervous system before your to-do list even starts shouting. Beginners, keep the movement small and focus on breath. Advanced stretches, add some side-to-side wiggles to explore stark tension. Here's a surprising fact. This motion stimulates cerebral spinal fluid flow, literally waking your brain up. Take one more deep breath in and one more round out. That just resets your spine. Now let's light up your core. From tabletop, extend your right arm forward and left leg straight back. Reach, hold, breathe. This is where balance meets strength and where small adjustments make a big difference. I promise this ignites your core, stabilizes your back, and wakes up your glutes. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for more support. Advanced stretches, pause the lifted leg for an extra challenge. Feel wobbly? That's your stabilizers doing their job. Hold for 5 more seconds. Tighten everything like a plank. That just turned on your center. Switch sides. Now lift your left arm and right leg back. Same move, new challenge. Can you match the control you had on the first side? I promise balancing your left and right sides here improves posture and prevents back pain throughout your day. Beginners, focus on length, not height. Advanced stretches, close your eyes, see if you can still hold steady. Five more seconds. Stay locked in. That should stabilize your core. Now let's unwind your hips and ribs. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left hand planted, right arm reaches to the sky. You're opening the two most neglected areas in modern bodies, hips and thoracic spine. I promise this move increases hip mobility, reduces neck and shoulder tightness, and improves rotation. Beginners, keep your back knee on the ground. Advanced stretches, float the back knee for a deeper stretch. This is your daily antidote to sitting. Feel that twist? Now hold it for 5 more seconds. That just opened your side. Switch to the left. Left foot forward, a right hand down, and left arm lifts. Can you match the range of motion from the other side? I promise balancing both sides brings better posture, deeper breathing, and less back pain. Beginners, drop the back knee. Advanced stretches, spiral your chest open and look up. Can't twist much? That's a sign your spine is stiff. This move is your fix. Lock in the twist. 5 more seconds. That just opened your spine. Now let's lengthen everything. Stand tall or kneel. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your arms down and back. Open your chest and lift your heart. This is how we reverse all that desk slouching and digital fatigue. I promise this posture unlock will change how you walk into every room today. Beginners, use the towel between your hands. Advanced stretches, try folding forward as you pull your arms higher. This also opens up your lungs. Breathe deeper now. Feel the difference? Five more seconds. Keep your shoulders back and proud. That just resets your posture. Let's finish strong. Hinge at the hips, let your arms hang, let your head drop. Maybe bend the knees or keep the legs long if your hamstrings allow. You don't need to force flexibility, you need to allow release. I promise the stretch decompresses your spine, relieves tension behind the knees, and calms your nervous system. Beginners, bend your knees as much as needed. Advanced stretches, sway side to side, explore the edge. Just a little challenge. Can you relax the back of your neck? Let go of control just for 5 more seconds. You just released everything: spine, breath, and stress.